Welcome to my channel. If your Nighthawk router is connected but showing no internet access, don't panic. This is a very common issue, and most of the time it's an easy fix. Let's solve it step by step. 1. Restart modem and router. Most important step, turn off router. Turn off modem. Wait 60 seconds. Turn on modem first. Wait until modem lights are stable. Turn on router. 2. Check internet from modem directly. Connect a laptop directly to modem using Ethernet. If no internet, contact ISP. If internet works, problem is router configuration. 3. Check internet settings. Log in to router and verify internet connection type is set correctly. DHCP, automatic, for most cable ISPs. PPPoE if ISP requires login. Static IP if ISP provided details. 4. Release and renew IP. Restart router again, or use renew IP option in router settings. 5. Change DNS settings. Set manual DNS. Primary DNS, 8888. Secondary DNS, 8844. Save and reboot router. 6. Update router firmware. Outdated firmware can cause internet issues. Check for updates. Install latest version. Reboot router. 7. Factory reset. Last option, hold reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Reconfigure router from scratch. If your Nighthawk router is still connected but no internet, comment your exact router model and ISP name below, and I'll guide you personally. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.